If your insights come from an open link, you've bought a mirage. I don't let anyone stuff the ballot box. I cap responses per organization. I invite, I verify, and I pay people for their time. That sounds strict for a reason. Here's exactly how I run Elevate. I recruit by invitation only, not open signups. At Arco, we have a database of well over 10,000 individuals developed through close relationships with the top patient advocacy professionals, professional societies, and community based organizations throughout the country. This list is edited each year for its accuracy, and all names are also ranked for their seniority or the individual that most works alongside the industry in affecting change for patients and providers. This ensures that when we go to field, we get the emails to the right people first and lower seniority or lower rank on our list later on in fielding. We send email invites directly to advocacy leaders and professional societies who work alongside industry teams. And we then compensate them for a 60-minute survey. No random forwards, no interns filling space. I designed it that way because data quality dies when you let volume masquerade as truth. Panelists who complete the survey can raise a hand for a follow-up phone interview, 45 minutes, where I test the nuance behind their answers and dig into the specifics the survey can't touch. We also cap responses to no more than 2 people per organization. That prevents any single group from overwhelming the sample and gives you clearer signal across the advocacy ecosystem. In 2016, in our early days of fielding reports similar to the Elevate report, we got word that one large pharmaceutical company was emailing all of their close partners in patient advocacy and professional societies. The form email was exactly the same from each individual within that company. Please make sure that as many people as possible from your organization participate in this survey and help to make us look good. This is the only way that we'll be able to provide you with the same amount of money as we did this year. When I heard that, I knew our fielding was dead. That data was unusable. We had to start over from scratch. Thousands of dollars down the drain. A survey that's not well controlled is not one worth making business decisions off of. We're not in the business of making any one company look good. We're focused on ensuring we capture the essence of the patient advocacy, professional society, and community-based organizations, that community, and their sentiments on working with industry overall, as well as their work alongside of specific companies and what great looks like. This is not a popularity contest, and it's definitely not who gave the most money to what organization last year. It's a well-formulated study providing deep insights on what proper engagement with these organizations should look like, who's done that well in this snapshot in time, and tracking those insights over time to view the trends, market sentiment, and which industry teams were actually listening to their customers. To obtain genuine data, rely on a robust, well-executed study rather than the loudest voices on a listserv. You sought the actual field reality, the actual reality of patients, patient advocates, professional societies, and community-based organizations out in the community, not just the most vocal opinions. When advocacy research like this is completed correctly, you get signal, not spin. Invite only blocks noise. Quantitative insights plus interviews give you the texture that you can act on. The 2 individual cap stops a national brand or a single organization from tilting the results in favor of their largest check writer. That setup protects data integrity so your next budget conversation doesn't rest on junk science. Your company wouldn't power a clinical trial without strict guardrails. Don't let your partnership insights data go forward without those same guardrails. Today, schedule a call to understand how we can help ensure you're maximizing your value and the patient voice within your own organization.